Alright, here we go. We got the 410 BPS slugs. We are doing the juicy cantaloupe expansion test. So, what y'all are wondering is, what is the juicy cantaloupe test? Well, here it is. What is the juicy cantaloupe test, you might ask? Well, you're looking at it right here firsthand. The juicy cantaloupe is, we got the water jug in front for the bullet to hit, the slug or handgun round to hit. Hit the cantaloupe, see what kind of destruction we have after going through the water jug and seeing about catching into that. If I was firing something more high powered, I would have something else to further backstop it for you, more jugs or something. But that is the juicy cantaloupe. And now that you know what the juicy cantaloupe test is, we're going to be doing that at about 20-ish yards or so, and to see what the expansion is in the wound channel after going through the first jug using a 410 Rossi single shot. Stick around. Alright, and there we are. We have the wad in the first jug. See, little hole going through, straight hole going through. Alright, so this is the wound channel, as y'all can see. Yeah, right there. That's the back side. And just to give y'all some scientific information here, because we can't leave you hanging, let's just see what kind of hole we actually got going on. In the cantaloupe, after hitting that jug, we have a 1.65 inches. And that is roughly about the same going through of a hole blasting through Mr. Coconut, which Mr. Coconut needs to get over to the medic station immediately because we still got more work to do. Get to hopping, Chris. Is in the board. Did not pass through. It went through. Ain't too bad. So the slug at 15-20 yards, more pushing 20, went through the cantaloupe, went through two water jugs, and kept trucking and went about an inch into a 2x6. Again, pro tip to watch what happens. When you shoot, you make sure the holes are not facing you. You make sure you're not into the wind. See, because when you open that cap, it won't look like